This is the event of Qwiklabs Valentine Day Challenge 2022. A beautiful relation. First, there is a step to participate. Click on enroll, join the game. There is a access code, and select the team you want to be part. And then there is the access code Valentine 2022. Copy this and click on this button, enroll. Click on the enroll button. There is an option to sign in with Google or email ID or password. Click on sign in with Google, and there is a tab join the game. There is few spot remaining. Join the game. There is an option enter the access. There is access code. Paste the access code, and there is an option to select the team. There is a team lboot and xboot. I am clicking on xboot and then click on join. Yeah, I successfully completed this.